Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Wes Fryer. It is August the 24th, 2020, and I want to show you a very, very fast way to make simply a selfie video recording with a iPhone or an iPad. Actually, I think you can use any Android device too, so any smartphone or tablet should work with this. They can run Google Classroom. And I want to thank Meredith Marinick, one of our fourth grade teachers, for mentioning this Friday. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to just go into one of my classes. So here's my fifth grade computer class in Google Classroom. I'm on my iPhone. You can do this on an iPad as well. I'm going to go to Classwork, and what I'm going to do is simply post a material. I haven't recorded this yet, so I'm going to record this right now. But the beautiful thing about this is I don't have to worry about uploading to YouTube or uploading to Google Drive and copying the link or whatever. It's just going to do it all right here inside Google Classroom. So I'm going to select material. I'm going to just call this test recording, and I'm not actually going to send this. This is a live class. So I'm not going to actually click post. I'm going to do everything except clicking post. I can go ahead and put this in either a videos or whatever topic that I've got. I can go ahead and put a description, but here's the key. In the upper right corner up here, I'm going to click on the paper clip, which is where I would attach a material. But I'm not going to pick a file to upload because I haven't recorded this yet. As my Google Classroom posts for today go live. I'm going to say use camera, and then I'm going to choose video. So now, and I can flip this over and do selfie video. Now I can record a video and have this go directly in. So I'll go ahead and just do a little test. Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Fryer. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an update for this week. Actually, this is a test recording. I'm just seeing how this works. Stop. Okay, I could do that for as long or as short amount of time as I want. Now, what's actually happened, I think that's just because of the AirPlay with my camera, or just the way that the iPad works. Interesting. I'm no longer, I'm going to tap use video. Let's see if it's going to go back. Yes, thank you. Now it's showing my camera again. I lost my AirPlay there for just a second with AirPlay. So I had to tap use video, but look what happened. Now that video is right there on this assignment. If I go ahead and tap on it, I should be able to play it, maybe. You know what I think I'm going to do? I don't have my sample student in this class. I can just go ahead and save my changes. I'm just going to save that as a draft right now. Okay. So let's take a look at what this looks like. So I could go ahead and post that. I'm not going to post it right now. What I actually think I want to do is I want to go to Google Classroom, and I'm going to go to that class, which is my 5-1 computer class. And we're just going to look at this draft, which should be here in Classwork. All right, there it is, test recording. So let me go ahead and click on it and just I'm just going to verify that this worked, that the video's there. Now, when you initially record a video and put it into Google Drive, which is where these go in Google Classroom, they're not playable right inside the browser yet. It takes just a little while for that to render. But I can go ahead and download the video. Hey, good morning, everybody. And I just verified, that it worked. So that is slick. That is super, super slick. That is a way to take a video, actually just to create a video on the fly with your iPhone, with your iPad, smartphone or tablet, whatever kind you have. If you're running Google Classroom and you're using Google Classroom. And again, that step was posting a material, putting it in the title and whatever you wanted, topics, but then when you click on the paper clip, use the camera and choose video, and then record your video there and post it directly into Google Classroom. Yay! Thank you, Meredith Marinick, for sharing that great tip. I hope that is helpful to you. If you are interested in other kinds of tips like that, you can check out the website that we have. I can actually go there. To support.cassidy.org. This is our school technology support website, and you can find other things like this as well. You can click on modules at the top or just go up to teacher and choose modules, and this is where we've got all this good stuff. And I think I'm going to put this two places. I'm going to put a link to this here under no edit videos because that's what this is. This is just a video that we're just recording, quickly, and we're posting in there. I'm also going to post this in a section that we're calling lesson casts, and you could actually, if you wanted to, use this as a way to record your lesson, and then it would just directly go into Google Drive. You wouldn't even have to do any extra steps. I like this technique. If you know other ways to do this, let me know. This is a pretty fast way to do it.